Da da do da do. Do da do da do. Do da do da do. Do 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 da 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 do do. Yep, it's got the song. Feliz Navidad. Let's try a harder one. I think this one's gonna be really hard. Actually, that wasn't a good match. That was 18% match. So I guess I'm not seeing very good then. Um, what's another song that's hard? Na 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 da 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 do da do 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 do. Oh yeah, PYT. I guess that sounds more like Gleecast. So yeah, I'm not seeing any lyrics, so it's not giving any hint for text recognition. It's just purely getting the sound, identifying the sound by tone. Love it. Okay, let's see how hard. I'm gonna try to think of a song that's harder. That's not pop culture. It's older song, no lyrics. Ba-up, bum bum, ba-up, bum bum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 da, da 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 da. Da 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 do da 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 do. Well, I don't even know what this song name is. I truly don't know. So I don't even know if this is right. Dancing all night. Let's try another one. Let's try that again. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Ba da da do da do da do da da do. Da do da do da do da do da da do. Okay, yeah, I don't think it's getting that song. What about Chinese songs? Na da di da di da di. Do da do di do da do. Da 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 do da da do. Yep, Kiss Goodbye, Lee Home. That's great. So not just English song. Da da di da di da da di da di da 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 di da di do da di da da do. Yep, Jay Chou. Okay, let's give it a harder Chinese song. Da do da 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 da. Yeah, it's not getting it. Well, let's try the Chinese app. So there's a QQ Music that does Chinese songs. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, that's right. But it took a long time though. That was 30 seconds. But that's exactly it. 87% match. So I guess that's pretty good. Does QQ Music do well with English songs? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. No, fail. Okay, let's try Google, see if it does that song. Da 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 da. Do da da do da do da. Da do da. Oh my god, that's Wish. When You Wish Upon a Star, but it's by Pentatonix, so I guess it's even recognizing I'm singing closer to them than Disney version. I'm impressed. Really impressed. So the Google Assistant app came out with Recognize Song by Humming since October of last year, so less than a year old. I don't know how long QQ Music has been able to do this, but I've always wanted a feature where you can just sing and the app will tell you what song it is. Shazam and SoundHound only did it by recognizing recorded songs, so this is definitely a step up. All right, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.